right, let's go see where our video is living now that it's up on YouTube. The waffle, and then I click YouTube, and it goes to their main screen. But what I would like to do is see my stuff. So I'm going to click on my avatar on the top right and go to the studio, the YouTube studio. So here's your dashboard. It'll tell you how many people have watched stuff over the last several days and weeks and stuff like that. Other news. You can go to your analytics. When you got a lot of videos on there, it's kind of interesting what's going on with that. But right now I'm going to go over on the left and click videos and see my videos. And here's my Mars video. So I'm going to click the pencil for editing. And here's where I could change the name of it. I can add the description. So I can do all kinds of editing right there. I could change its visibility from unlisted to public or private. Private means only you can see it. Don't do that. Just don't do it. Either unlisted or public, people. It's too much to burden people with. You can choose what you want your opening thumbnail to be. Once you get creds with YouTube, you can actually upload your own thumbnail, which could be like a splash screen that you select. You can put your video in different playlists if you want. So you could have one for one class, like maybe you have a biology playlist, or maybe you have a English language arts freshman year playlist, that kind of stuff. Down here under audience, to comply with COPPA and other laws, you are required to tell YouTube if your video is made for kids or not. So in this case it was, because it was about Mars. And what this does is say features like personalized ads and notifications won't be available on videos made for kids. Videos that are set to be made for kids are more likely to be recommended alongside other kid videos. So that's kind of cool. If you did say it was not made for kids, you could also say there's an age restriction. If you want to tag it, you could basically separate by commas any things you want to use it to be searchable for, such as biology, comma, cells, comma, that kind of thing. Because this is unlisted, people won't be able to search for it anyway. So that's the settings there. So if I go to more options, here are other things I could specify. I just usually leave those things alone. And when you're done goofing around with it, you click Save. Once you've done that, click the back arrow to go back to your channel videos. And if you hover over the name here, I could look at the analytics for this video. There's none yet because nobody's actually watched it. I can look at comments on the video. I can view it directly in YouTube. If I go to the ... the other options are getting that shareable link. I could download a copy of it. I could delete it forever. And so those are just some other things to do in YouTube. Once you get a whole bunch of videos, it's kind of cool.